together a couple of tours here, and when I go around the landfill, I wonder if I said something wrong. And then when I bring him over here to this recycling operation and this part of the business, he obviously gets excited, he gets engaged. He really is an ardent, lifelong environmentalist. We are so happy to have you here. Thank you, Governor.
Thank you, Director.
Thank you, Director. Also, I know you were going to mention the members of the board. You mentioned the chair, Major Quinn, Mike Quinn, but also, and you mentioned Mayor Lombardi, but also here is Jeffrey Kirkman from the board. Jerry Lindapalo, and Michael Sabatone's here. These are very, very hard-working people, especially when you go through a crisis such as the odor crisis. Everybody was very involved from the board in making sure that good decisions were made. And as the director said, this is a win-win-win, and you know how I passionately feel about cities and towns. And anytime municipal tipping fees are up, what, $32 a ton, is that right? $32 a ton. Every ton that can be reduced from cities and towns sending to the landfill, that's money for the property taxpayer. And recycling is a big part of reducing that tonnage. The more we can recycle, the less tonnage, the less $32 per ton that goes from the cities and towns, the better that is for the property taxpayer. And so making it easier, the director talked about the ease of it. So there are a lot of ease here. The ease of doing it, the environment, it's good for the environment, it's good for the economy, it's good for each other. These are the E's, but really we're getting A's, I think, for leading the world. I mean, the world, all over the world, they're looking at recycling and cutting down on landfills and how you deal with trash. And so this is an issue they're dealing with in Europe and Asia and everywhere all over the world. But right here in Rhode Island, we're getting A's for our effort at making sure that this landfill is contained in the acreage that we have here. And that is critical to recycling. What's our percentage?
Here at the headquarters of Rhode Island Resource Recovery, they've just announced a new statewide recycling effort.
Ready, set, go.
And so they've just done a ceremonial tossing of trash and recyclables into a big blue bin. And a lot of homes are going to be having these bins, and a lot of dignitaries are here from all across the state. And they're trying to get the point across that it's a new system. They've installed an expensive new set of equipment to accommodate the new system. And it's a new day for recycling here in Rhode Island. All right, here we are in the belly of the beast, so to speak. This is the recycling section of the Resource Recovery Headquarters. This big front-end loader takes loads of trash, or recyclables in this case, loads them up into this bin, and they go up the chute. Into the chute they go, they get separated out. We're told there are magnets that pull out the metals, and it goes through the line and into a recycling system. Now, there have been mayors and dignitaries from throughout the state attending here today. And here, they're launching this new recycling program. They expect most of the state's going to be on this new recycling effort in short order. At Resource Recovery in Johnston, Steve Clampkin, WPRO News.